Hey, I'm Gary Duffner, and I'm a Adobe community expert. Now, I'm sure you've been looking at people on YouTube in their studio and seeing really cool lights in their videos to make their videos look better, more inviting and enticing to you. Let me show you what this video looks like without the effects. All of these are adjustment layers or something that's making the video look cool. I turned all those layers off, and this is the look of the original video. I added a blue matte color on the right and a purple matte color on the left. You say you want to do it too? All right, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you are in the effects panel, you can click on this little button right here in Premiere Pro and click on effects. On the bottom left is the projects bin. And if we make that bigger, on the bottom right, click on new item and then click on color matte. Click OK and then find a color you like. Like if you want that purple, click on the purple and then click inside here, click on that purple you want inside there and then click OK. Now I've already made a purple matte and a blue matte. So I'm going to take the purple one and bring it onto my timeline. And then I'm going to make it longer so it fits the full version of the video. Now you're going to see purple over it. Don't panic. Next thing you're going to do is click on the drop down in the effects control panel where it says normal. It's a color blend mode. If you're familiar with Photoshop, it has the same thing in the layers panel. We'll click on overlay and then we're going to put a mask on it. Click on the circle right here and that creates a circle right in the middle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this wider, this higher. I'm going to take this little circle right here and I'm going to drag it out to make it fade. See that? Then I'm going to click on the invert button right here so it's on the outsides, not in the middle. You can see where I'm going with this, can't you? Then I'll make the bottom a little lower and the right side a little longer. I'll bring this up like this to kind of go over the left side of the face. And then I'll do the same thing on the right side with a blue matte. Let's take the blue matte, let's drag it over here onto the timeline. And then let's make it as long as the video. Let's click on the purple one again and click on opacity, right click on it and click copy. Click on the blue one and then right click inside of the effects and paste it. Now it's on the same side, so we have to move it. Click on the mask layer right here. That will make that selection. Then it becomes the hand tool, so you can just click and drag to bring it over like this. And now we have blue on the right side here. Look at that. Now you can be one of the cool kids.